everybody, this is Kelly with Luminary Nail Systems, and today we're going to be doing an inlay using Drive, Clarity, and Empower Matte. Hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start by putting a really thin layer of Drive down. I've already prepped the nails and they have commit applied. So we're going to cure this layer for 30 seconds. As you can see, it's really thin. It's not a builder layer. So since we're going to be doing some fun stuff with this manicure, I'm not going to overlay it yet. I am going to go ahead and put on another thin layer of Drive and cure for 30 seconds. All right, so now on the nail that we're going to be doing the inlay on, I have those two really thin layers of Drive down, and we have these cute little iridescent polka dots. So I'm going to put a really thin layer of Clarity down now. And on this layer of Clarity, we're not going to cure it, we're just going to leave it wet. All right, so Clarity's still wet, so we're gonna grab our little iridescent polka dots. Just grab them and kind of push them on the nail, and they kind of stick together. These were just in my drawer. I don't know what they are, so I don't have a link or anything for them, but you can probably find something like this on Amazon, I would guess. So just grab your little dots and place them on the nail wherever you would like. It probably would have been a lot easier if I took these out and laid them on a palette, because I'm kind of just fussing with them a bit. So, because they do stick together, as you guys can see. So just continue placing these wherever you would like. And we're almost finished with that part. Okay, so I put that in the light for 30 seconds. So now we're going to take another thin layer of Clarity and make sure that we get it in between all those little crevices, because those dots are kind of sticking up. So that thin layer down. And then you're going to dip into your jar of product and grab a little bit and just kind of float it over that wet surface, just like a melting method. And just drag it over those polka dots. You'll see I got like a little piece of glitter in there, so we got to grab that out. Okay, so we're going to turn her hand upside down to let the product level and to give her a really nice arch. So what I'm doing here, you can't really see, but you can tell when you look upside down at the side of the nail if there's any divots or, to get your apex in place, so we don't have to finish file. So that was cured for 60 seconds because that was a builder layer. Now we're moving on to her middle finger, and I'm gonna put another coat of Drive. So this is gonna be the third thin coat of Drive. And this one is getting some super fun glitter. So we're gonna put her in the light for 10 seconds only, just 10 seconds. Bring her out, grab a makeup brush, and just push that glitter into that semi-cured layer. And once I get the glitter on and I've applied it, you're gonna go back in the light for 30 seconds. So now, after that cure, I'm gonna wipe off all of that excess glitter. I'm gonna grab my Clarity again and go ahead and cover up that glitter. All right, let's turn her upside down, get that product leveled, give her a nice apex, and then we're gonna go into the light for 60 seconds with this builder layer. Okay, so I did the pinky and I did the pointer finger off camera with Drive, same melting method that I always do. So now we're gonna cleanse the nails and give her a good file. All right, I filed off camera. I don't want to bore you guys too much. So we're gonna head and cleanse her off with a manicure brush and some alcohol. And then just to make sure that I got all the dust off, I'm gonna give her another good scrub with a lint-free wipe. Okay, so we're gonna be using both top coats. We're gonna be using Matte Empower and our regular No Wipe Empower. They're both a no wipe, just so you guys know. So on her pinky, we are going shiny. So you guys will see that I use a lot of top coat. I don't put it on really thinly. So that's why I personally only do a couple nails at a time. So I'm moving on to the glitter nail with the shiny top coat. That is called Empower. It's a 60-second no wipe top coat. So make sure you cure this for 60 seconds. On her ring finger, we are using Empower Matte because it's just absolutely gorgeous over those iridescent polka dots. And also on her pointer finger, just to kind of balance everything out. And again, I'm using a lot of top coat just to make sure that it's leveled, especially with matte, because you don't want to get any lines or anything with the matte. So there are the finished nails, and oh my God, I'm so in love with this set with those iridescent matte polka dots and the shiny glitter, and just so much fun. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your nail tech friends, subscribe to us, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook.